I wanna tell you something. I never called your bluff till you called my line. I've got to show you something. If you wanna show face, we can suit and try. Oh, would you love me? You're so tight. Tried to cut mine, shit was too tight. I've known this shit a long time before I co-sign and let the light shine. Trust me, bad habits.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So yeah, I wanted to just get straight into the video. No long talking and nothing extra. Yeah, so I'm using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, guys. And I'm just using that as my eyeshadow base. And I'm just using that with the same brush or the doe foot applicator that I got with the concealer, of course. And then I'm just using this brush. This is a blending concealer brush from Sylyne. Then I went in on my Real Techniques brush to just blend out everything so I don't look crazy on camera. So I'm going in with my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm using that shade as you can see I showed in the palette, and I'm using this very fluffy brush. Has no name, it's more like a generic brush that I got from the 100 yen store or the dollar store. And I'm using that as my transition shade because I'm going to be playing with some green. I realize that I haven't been playing with greens and I want to play with it. So I'm going in with this, this is like a deeper green. And yeah, I'm just using that to just define my crease a bit. Yeah. So now I'm going... I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer, and that's just gonna highlight my brow bone so I can know, you know, not to go above that area. So now I'm using this black from the same Morphe 35O palette, and I'm using this smaller brush. This is a Real Techniques dupe. This is like a small blending brush, but it works. And I'm using that to just blend the black into my crease, because the black with the green gives it a darker green. It's not gonna give it black. It's just gonna give it a darker green. So I'm just using that to just blend it, and that's just going to define my crease, because I'm gonna go in with a little bit of cut crease. Like on camera, the cut crease that you're gonna be seeing, off camera I'm gonna be like pushing the cut crease a little bit higher. Yeah, but this is just, you know, how I do the cut crease. So I'm using my LA Girls eyeshadow primer, and I'm using this because it's white. So when I go in with the shimmery shade, yeah, it will give me the same color payoff. So now I'm using the same, my favorite brush, the Real Techniques detailer brush, and I'm just trying to define that. And this eyeshadow primer, it's very good, I would say, but it's very sticky, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So yes, I'm going in with Giza, and Giza is going to be added to the inner corners of my eyes. I'm sorry, clips got deleted. Yeah, and I later went in with Casablanca at the inner portion, that bronzy gold color. Yeah. Now I'm going in with that green from the Morphe 35B palette, just adding that to the outer corners. And yeah, I'm going to go in with the same black shade from the Morphe 35O palette, and I'm just adding that to the outer corners of my eyes. And then I went in with the same darker green to just, you know, fade it out a bit so it doesn't have that harsh line. Then I went in with the same Morphe 35B palette, and I went in with the black just to define my lower lash line. Then I went in again with the green now to just blend that out. Yeah. And the color that you're seeing at the inner corner, that was from the Masquerade palette. That was like a shimmery shade, creamy shade from the Masquerade palette. So now I'm using my liner, and I'm just creating a very, you know, thick wing line. And notice I'm not gonna take the wing line at the inner corners of my eyes, because I don't want the white to be interrupted. I don't know, to me it's just going to look a little bit messy. Yeah, and I kind of wanted the halo thingy, so I took it like 3/4 of my eyes. Yeah, and I'm using the same LA Girls primer, and I basically just use it to just prime that area too, so that when I go in with the same shimmery white pearlescent shade from the Masquerade palette, it will give me the same color payoff. And I'm going in with the green now again, and I'm just taking that right below the white because I kind of want it to give me the same halo thingy. You know what I'm saying? So I want it to be visible, but I didn't want it to take it like at my waterline. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I'm using my mascara right now to just, you know, do my brows, and I kind of realized that the liquid liner didn't stick well with the eyeshadow, so I had to go in with a gel liner, and I'm just trying to trace over that. It's not like super neat, but the line is defined, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I just went over it with this very small brush, liner brush, to just, you know, put everything on it. So guys, some of my clips got deleted, but I just wanted to demonstrate what I did. I used my pressed powder to just, you know, bronze up my face after my foundation. You know, my foundation routine, because I have like a lot of that on my channel. So I used, like, my foundation was the Makeup Revolution in F16 concealer, color Pop, dark 46. Yeah. And I'm using now the highlighter. I'm just demonstrating, as I said before. This was the Vivid Baked highlighter from Makeup Revolution, and I just took that at the highest points of my cheekbone and just blended that. And my lips, guys, I used a brown liner to line my lips, and I also used my my Color Pop lippy stick in Can't Wait, and then I went over it with a lip gloss. And as you see, I use my Mario Badescu facial spray. So yes guys, this is the look. I hope you like it, and I'm wearing my Nadula here. Yeah, I have some hair reviews coming for you. Yeah, hope you enjoy this.
Only the strong survive. You either live or you die. I don't need you here and